Good evening. Anybody can hear me?
No.
No.
I cannot
Okay.
hear you.
Yeah, a bit soft. I shouldn't learn to wear this. Okay. Okay, testing. Hear me? On. Testing.
No.
Wait. Wait, turn around. You shouldn't let you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, can anybody hear me? Is my voice nice? Thank you so much. Alright, Assalamualaikum to all my Muslim friends and all my friends. A very lovely evening and salam satu Malaysia. Okay, a very lovely face today. I have a story today, but let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Siti and I'm from Genius Seremban. Can you give me a big applause? And applause to yourself and mommy and daddy who be here. And today is story about a pet. Just now Teacher Fatina tell you about a bird and a dog. Now it's about a cat named Pete. You want to see a big Pete? You want to meet Pete? Where is Pete? Can we call Pete? Wow, this is Pete. Pete, a cat in a blue color. Alright, say hello to Pete. Hello. I can't hear you. Hello, Pete. Pete is wearing a brand new shoes. Yes. But this time Pete wear a white shoes. And he like to sing along because he loves the shoes so much. Can we stand up and sing along together with the Pete, please? Okay, are you ready? I want you to make a move, a groovy move like this. Okay. See the move? 1, 2, 3, move. Alright, listen to the song. Because Pete loves his shoes and we'll sing the song like this. 1, 2, 3. I love my white shoes. 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 I can't hear you sing. Can you sing along with the Pete? Alright, one more time. Mommy and Daddy, can we hear your song also? Alright, 1, 2, 3.
I love my white shoes. 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 I love my white shoes.
Oh no! We stepped in the lunch of strawberries. What color did the shirt turn on? Red color. Where's my red shoes? Red color. Yeah. Do you love strawberries? Yes. I also love strawberries. And this time Pete sing the red shoe song because he was so much happy and he didn't cry. Alright? Okay, so we sing the song. Alright? Okay, this time like this also. We do the groovy song, okay? 1, 2, 3.
I love my red shoes. 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 I love my red shoes.
Can you sing together with me one more time? This time loud. I want to hear a voice from you. Alright? 1, 2, 3.
I love my red shoes. 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 I love my red shoes.
Can we sing together? Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What happened to the shoes? It turned sing this song. Let's clap together. 1, 2, 3. I love my brown shoes.
I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no!
What happened next? Pete stepped in the latch of a bucket of water. What happened to the shoes? What happened to the shoes? Are you sure it become blue color?
White and
No.
red shoes.
And all the red color, and all the blue color, and all the brown color wash away. What happened to the shoes? It went into a white color. But this time the shoes is wet and full of water. Do you think Pig is crying?
No!
Are you sure Pig is not crying?
Yes!
This time Pig walk along together with the wet shoes and happy. And they sing, but okay. But this time Pig not slippery because Pig have 4 legs. Okay? And Pig sing this song together. But this time it's wet. Okay? Ready? Clap the hands together. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Pig do the new move. Okay? Can we show? I show you. Okay? Can we do this one? Somebody is laughing here. Alright. Okay. I'm counting, okay? Wait for a while, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes.
Together, Mama and Daddy. So I want you to sing together and do the move. Sporty, let's get guys. For the children in front here. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I love my wet shoes. 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 I love my wet shoes.
Very good and good job. Okay, what happened to Pete with the white shoes? Over anything, he's the happiest cat of all. And no matter what you did,